Hey guys, nice 2K here with an unboxing video. We got a package here from ObsidianWire. Came in from Christchurch, New Zealand, all the way to Airdrie, Alberta in just a few days. It is called the HSS Loaded Pickguard for Strat. I'm going to put that right there so I could read it while I unbox. Ooh, very cool. Comes with a personalized thank you card and a sticker. Five-year warranty. A nice installation guide and pickup height guide, I guess. Well, that's going to come in handy. I'm not the most technical person. Ooh, yeah, baby. Wow, comes with one of these, I guess, microfiber cleaning cloths. And there's also, I guess, a jack in here, pure tone jack, and I chose just the regular Teflon wire. Oh, I guess you can just, boom, plug and play. I'm super excited to get this onto my 2009 Fender American Strat, I guess my American Standard Strat. Wow. Super excited about this, guys and gals. Let's put that down. Let's see what else is in the box. Nice little gem bag. Very cool. I love the little touches they've got here. Makes you feel really, really special. Oh, it's the jack. Yes. Pure tone jack. Wonderful. Silica packet to keep things dry. And another sticker. Can't go wrong with more stickers. Here's the 2009 Fender American Standard Strat that I'm going to be installing the ObsidianWire HSS pickguard onto. So far, just took out the old pickguard. I'm going to look inside. This is what it looks like before. Not gonna lie, about 25 minutes later, the install is done. She looks beautiful. I did test all the functionality of the pickup switches and knobs to make sure everything was okay before I screwed everything down, but at this stage, not a huge deal to pop it out again and if nothing's working, but pretty surprising. It only took me that long, maybe about 20-25 minutes around there. For a really non-technical guy, literally just follow these instructions that they give you step by step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Be slow, be patient, and you should get the job done. So we're going to be doing a sound test on this hopefully soon. I got new saddles coming in tomorrow, so I'm not even going to restring or anything until that's all done. Okay, so the new saddles came in, just got them installed. Going to restring and we'll try it out. So I'm just going to go through a few tone samples here through a Fender Princeton Reverb. So the way the control layout works now is it's still a 5-way switch, but control 1, your master volume is, well, master volume controls all pickup positions. Control 2 now becomes a master tone. So for all 3 pickups, it becomes your master tone. And control 3 is now the blender control. So it either adds the neck or the bridge. So I'm just going to go through the pickup configurations here. I'm going to start with position 5, which is the neck, and then I'm going to blend in the bridge. Now let's blend in the bridge. Of course, the blender works. You could put as much or as little humbucker as you like for any blend. So now let's go to position 3 is just the middle position, and blended or not, it's just the middle pickup. So now I just kicked a little bit of overdrive in